Today we are going to learn about Maud Lewis. Maud Lewis was a folk artist from Canada. She was born on March 7, 1903 in South Ohio in Nova Scotia. Maud was unique. She was born with disabilities that affected her size, her mobility, and the use of her hands. Her disabilities caused her a lot of pain, making her life very difficult. But Maud did not let this stop her from living a happy life and creating beautiful art. As a young girl, Maud loved to create art using bright and cheerful colors. She began drawing and painting Christmas cards with her mom, and they would sell these cards to their neighbors. These early experiences showed Maud that she had a great talent for creating art, and it was something that she really enjoyed. As Maud grew into adulthood, she married a man named Everett Lewis. Everett was a door-to-door fish salesman, and he also did some small jobs around their village. The couple lived in a tiny house in Marshalltown, Nova Scotia. Maud's house was very special because she turned it into a piece of art itself. She painted colorful scenes on almost every surface, including the walls, doors, and even the stove. The house was like a giant canvas for Maud, and it became one of her most famous works of art. Maud loved painting pictures of the world around her. She painted colorful scenes of life in her village, including children playing, horses pulling wagons, and the beautiful flowers that grew in her garden. Maud's art was simple, but it was also full of optimism and hope. This made people love her art, and she became a famous artist in Canada and around the world. Despite her fame, Maud always remained humble and dedicated to her work. She continued to live in her tiny house, painting every day and selling her art to the people who visited. Her uplifting creations brought joy and happiness to many people, and it continues to do so today. Let's take a moment to look at the work of Maud Lewis. Notice the vivid colors, simple forms, and lack of shadows in her paintings. Maud died in 1970, but her art and her story live on. They remind us that even when life is hard, we can create something beautiful and bring joy to others. Maud's life is an inspiration to all of us and a reminder that no matter what obstacles we face, we can achieve our dreams and make the world a more beautiful place through our creativity. To this day, Maud Lewis is one of Canada's most celebrated folk artists. Her story teaches us that every person is special, and we all have the power to create beautiful things. Every art piece tells a story, and Maud's story is one of courage, joy, and love for the beautiful world around her.